everyone, welcome to today's vocal warm-up designed especially for mezzo-sopranos. This will help you activate your breath, your range, and your resonance. So let's get started. Let's begin by waking up our breath. So let's put our hands on our belly and breathe in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, and then release through your mouth. Once again, breathe in through your nose and release through your mouth. We also need to put our hands here and check that we are able to actually push out here, so we will breathe in from here through our nose and it will expand here, and then we'll hold and then release through our mouth on an S. And once again, breathe in through your nose, hold and push your hands out here, and then release through your mouth. Very good. So we'll also try to activate our breath by saying shh, shh, shh. So we will activate our breath by saying shh, 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 like happy birthday. Okay, so shh, 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 shh. So we'll do a few lip trills. Whoever followed my soprano warm-up has seen my previous warm-up for sopranos, where we also use lip trills. Lip trills are great for loosening up our vocal cords and for connecting our diaphragm to our vocal tract. So we'll do. So first of all, we'll do it normally. Okay, so. And then we'll try to do it on a pitch. So, like for example. And I let you continue. Very good. Now we'll do a siren from the bottom of our range to the top of our range to connect our breath and to stretch our vocal cords. So we'll do ah, and again ah. Please go ahead. And now we'll do a 5-note scale on blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it will be blah, 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 blah. But I'll take it down because you're a mezzo. So we'll go here. We'll now do a nice arpeggio to actually connect the low range to the high range. Mezzo-sopranos are always great, often great, to connect these two ranges. So we will go from the low range, it will be zero, zero, but we'll start here. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed this. So the next one will be a warm up actually to move our breath, and it will be a big breath workout for us. It is quite fast and it is on a staccato, which will be like yeah, 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 and then straight after it will go up again, yeah, 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 yeah. So it's going to be really a good exercise for us. And we'll start with this. Yeah, yeah. Good. So last but not least, another long warm up. Let's say this is good to sing long phrases, okay? So we will go with this needs to be really legato, okay? So it will help us to control our breath and to sing legato, which is really important for any musician and any type of genre, from classical to pop. Okay, so I'll take it down here, so it will be so we'll go a little bit lower. excellent. So I hope you liked this warm-up, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're on YouTube, or to follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much, and see you next time.